Welcome back to fixbuildrace. Today we're just doing some odd jobs in the shop. We were here last weekend as well, just messing around. You got some stuff done there. I don't know if we got any good footage, but if we did, it'll be in this, but if not, oh well. So this needs a waff. This is the ute, you can see. Needs a waff, which if you're not from New Zealand is like our road legal check. It's like an MOT that you guys do in England, and I don't know what you do in America, just send it.
And we also are going to try and get the Cressida on the dyno next weekend. Next weekend?
Yeah. Oh no, 2 weeks.
2 weeks time. And we don't want to have any issues with it bottoming out again, so we're going to put some standard suspension back in, hopefully raise it up a little bit more so we don't hit the dyno, and we can actually get some power figures, so that'll be good.
Yeah, it'll be good, and get some more fine tuning done on knock control and that sort of thing. Yeah, and last weekend we did some work on the truck, so if that footage is in this video, we didn't kind of close off on that, but Sam managed to get it sorted and done, so that might be ready for a while as well.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, so yeah, that was a bit of a shit fight, but we got there in the end.
3-hour job turned into 3 days, but
yeah. Alright, get into the air.
Let's get into it. So I'm changing the upper ball joint on my truck because I failed on a waff.
Because it's flogged.
That's, yeah, pretty stuffed. So I've just pulled the wheel off.
Yep.
Pulled the split pin out, cast them up. So I'm going to take that off, and then hopefully it should just pop out.
Bash the shit out of this here, and it should just drop out, because it'll be a tapered
we'll just
fitting.
pull this out, and then try and press this out somehow. Well, I'm hoping I don't have to pull the whole knuckle off, because that could be a mission.
We'll see how we go. Just be careful. Oh, it might ping off at us. I've seen that happen before as well, so don't stand directly behind it.
The light will be in it.
Yeah, just make them stand behind the hoist on. Yeah. I've seen someone get their face fully sore from one of these.
It's squashing the stud. It's not moving it at all.
And you've had heat on it?
Yep.
If that ain't doing it, I don't know what's going to.
I don't know. Montage.
Wow! NA20 carby.
So I've ground some of the surface rust off and just sprayed it with rust converter just to keep it at bay. It's all very surface, so yeah, I'm gonna let that dry and then spray some matte black on it. Alright, Ute's out. Couldn't really see much of what was going on, so just did it and got it out of the way. Cressida's in the workshop now, and we are getting the suspension out of the parts / race car Cressida, because it's factory suspension, and it'll hopefully raise it up higher, raise this Cressida up higher to get on the dyno. Show that camera.
Just about to pull the brake caliper off. Jack's undone the bolt, so
Sam already pulled it off, but we wanted to film it, so that's how you do it.
Mean.
Yep.
If you want to get in there with the brake tab on these cars, you have to cut them and pry them out. so you don't have to disconnect the brake lines, so it's a bit of a pain. But top tip, if your tab looks like that, just get a hacksaw in there, bend it out with some pliers, and then you can slip the brake line through. Works a treat, and you don't have to bleed your brakes every time you want to take your struts out.
Just don't cut through your brake line with a hacksaw.
Yeah.
That'd be a good idea.
You have a bit of wiggle room there.
Yeah.
Pull the brake line through, obviously.
Yeah.
So you have
So it's
some
like
space.
that. Oh, let it focus. Yeah.
Don't have it in there like that, because you will cut through it.
Yep.
And that's why I use a hacksaw, not a grinder,
Yeah.
for a little bit more control.
Sam gets a bit happy with a grinder.
Yeah.
On grinder, I mean with a grinder.
Yep, both. Alright, so I got the bolts out, and just going to lever the lower control arm down.
And just like that. We didn't do this first and do it again because that would have been annoying.
Now try and get this stock one in, which is a lot harder because it's about this much taller. So a little bit right there, right? Yeah.
Oh, I'm on. Why was that so much easier?
It literally took us like half an hour last time.
Go one more time. Okay, you're way below it. Come back up. Slowly. Yep. No, down. Yep. Up. Yep.
Yep.
Yep, we're in.
Tyre needs some air, but the car's raised. Well, it doesn't even look that high. The other side looked higher. It's raised as much as we kind of can for now.
So hopefully it's good enough for the dyno.
Yeah. Should we have a look at the ground clearance? Still cool, but
Better than before.
yeah, definitely better than before. Yeah, I'm hopeful. I think we can make it. I hope we can make it because I don't want to beat you out again. So yeah, it was just a mess around video, not too much going on, just a bit of hanging out. But yeah, next weekend going on the dyno. Make sure you tune in for that because it should be a good one. Hopefully, if it makes it on. If it doesn't, then there won't be a video.
There'll be a video saying we didn't make it on the dyno again.
Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.
I don't really put much soul in it. It's like I don't think that I'm with it. I'm on the pro team. You'll be calling that Olympic. They see me rolling. Okay, millionaire, I'm sunning. Peter, 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 Pop, well,